We are very customer focused. We have been for over these 30 years. We're an integral part of the supply chain in the automotive industry. We add value.
We have grown with our customers so that if a customer isn't sure exactly what they want, we can provide them options quickly.
We have the capability, we have the tools, we have the resources to be diverse in any field that or any contract that comes our way.
We're very competitive. What we do is we try to make sure that we meet customer satisfaction at all times. I mean, that is the utmost.
Competitive pricing, quality, and on-time delivery. Those three things will keep you there. They'll get you there, but they'll also keep you there. And that's what we do.
When a major national supplier needed a cost-efficient container that was more environmentally friendly, they looked to Genesee Packaging for answers. When an automotive company needed a sequencing program to quickly integrate their data, they turned to Genesee Packaging for solutions. And when an international manufacturer needed special moisture-resistant packaging, Genesee Packaging came up with a unique patent-pending design. This commitment to customer service, innovative solutions, and quality excellence is what has made Genesee Packaging a leader with more than 30 years of experience in the corrugated and packaging industries. Based in mid-Michigan, but servicing globally, Genesee Packaging is an award-winning minority supplier, certified by the Michigan Minority Business Development Council, an affiliate of the National Minority Supplier Development Council. With 3 Flint area Genesee County, Michigan locations, Genesee Packaging has distinguished itself as a world-class Tier 1 supplier to the automotive industry, as well as other industrial companies and government agencies since 1979. Genesee Packaging has maintained quality certifications to the ISO standards since 1998. This has created a highly trained, dedicated workforce and several competencies within the company.
We're a corrugated sheet plant, and we buy the raw material from a corrugated manufacturer. Contract packaging is the term that's used in the automotive industry, where various component parts are shipped into a contract packager. And this contract packager takes these component parts or places them into a box singularly or add more component parts to it and then creates a kit.
Genesee Packaging also has its own fleet of trucks, so we can be your just-in-time supplier.
In our corrugated operation, we have the design capability, and we also are able to provide short turnaround product to meet the needs of our customers on a just-in-time basis. And with today's economy and everyone trying to reduce their inventories, this is very, very important to the customer base that they don't put a lot of financial resources into a huge amount of inventory.
At Genesee Packaging, we always pride ourselves in staying ahead of the curve, coming up with innovative ideas for our clients while applying the lean principles in manufacturing operations.
One of the things that we did is we developed a green packaging system before green became a buzzword. We developed a prototype packaging system that we were able to get a patent pending on it and were able to sell it to the customer. We had a contract for transmission that we prepared for shipment to Holden, Australia, and we were able to develop a spraying mechanism that would prohibit those transmissions from being damaged due to moisture as they were shipped overseas. When we had Operation Desert Storm, there were fuel modules that were produced in this plant that were shipped overseas and used in the combat missions.
Genesee Packaging has state-of-the-art equipment, including the Kongsberg Rapid Prototyping Sample Table, an Artios CAD/CAM table from Sweden, which provides cost and time savings for customer designs.
That table, our designers can take a product from any walk of life, whether it's an automotive product or a food product or anything, and create a package to pack that product in to protect it through shipment to the various customer destinations. And they can create that sample and various versions of it in minutes.
The table is believed to be one of only a few in the Midwest. Genesee Packaging is highly adaptable and accustomed to reacting to the need for quick turnaround. In our sequencing department, we integrate information from the customer's databases with our own databases to ensure appropriate inventory levels and to create a sequencing system for just-in-time delivery.
A year ago, we were awarded a piece of business, and we were responsible to figure out how to pull data out of the customer system, interface it with our information, and create the ability to make sure we had the right product at the right time without them really feeding us very much information at all. And we did that in 30 days. We were able to get that data, create the reporting mechanisms, and build the inventory base.
Our employees' skill and enthusiasm is reflected in their quality work and commitment to customer service, as evidenced by their length of time on the job. More than half of our workforce has more than 5 years on the job, and many have been with the company more than 20 years.
I started out with the company when the company was just a few months old and started out answering the phone. And so, I'm proud of the company's accomplishments and my own, because I've grown with this company and have really seen, what a company can do and how a company can grow and change and affect its community.
We stay focused as far as what the requirements are and what we need to, make sure that we are implementing them, not only in the salary ranks, but also in the hourly ranks. So a lot of communication.
And Genesee Packaging is a good corporate citizen. Through a Mott Community College scholarship, donations to a wide range of community groups and wellness programs to promote healthy lifestyles and reduce costs. We address the whole person, making a much-needed, lasting impact in the community.
It has helped me achieve things that I never thought I would achieve. They have always pushed you to be a better person, to achieve whatever you want to achieve, not just here in the company, but out here in society.
Over the last 30 years, many companies have benefited from the strategic services and innovative products of Genesee Packaging. They're thinking inside and outside the box. Shouldn't you? Genesee Packaging, innovative packaging solutions. We're all you need.